Hi, welcome back. So we are gonna do a new series. I'm gonna show you guys how to build a budget drift car. This is gonna be like I hope under like 2000 euros a drift car, and that's pretty fully built with everything. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna film every episode, every mod that I'm gonna do on this car, like seats or lock kit or hydraulic handbrake. I'm gonna film and show you guys how to do it and how much it cost me, so you guys can redo that with your own cars and build a drift car for yourself. I picked up this car today. I live in the Netherlands, by the way. E46s are really cheap right here right now. This is a 323i, 170 horsepower it has. It's a 2.5 from the factory. And this is a really good base car to start. You need in my eyes, in my opinion, you need a 6-cylinder buses car, because it has like the bigger drive shaft and exhaust and shit like that, so it doesn't break so often. The 320i is a good base car, the 2-liter and the 2.2-liter. The 323i, this one, the 325 and the 328, those are the best budget cars that you can buy. There is no better car right now to buy than E46s, at least not in Europe, where I live in the Netherlands. They are, I think, like for a 323i, if you search it well and it has some things that are not working and you are capable of fixing it yourself, that you pay like, I don't know, a grand or something, 1,000 euros. I paid 650 euros for this car, but this car has some rust right here. It's I think they tried to fix it, but they fucked up. They fucked it really up. But on the underside, it's yeah, it's fine. It's actually not that bad. The car doesn't drive. You can't put it in gear when it's running, but I think that's a simple issue. I think it's the master cylinder, and that, yeah, I don't know, it's broken, or the pin that is like in the cylinder shoot it out or something. I don't know. I think it's like 2 hours of work to get it fixed, and it doesn't cost a lot of money. The worst part that it can be is the clutch or the gearbox, but the car drives. You can put it in gear when you are when the engine is not running. I paid 650 euros for this. It's a steal. It's really cheap. Next episodes I'm gonna start filming with the mods, and I will show you guys how to do it and how much it cost me and where I got the parts, so you guys can replicate it. As you see, I can put it in gear, but when it needs to not be running. When it's running, it's not going in, no, it's not engaging. So that's why I think it's just a master cylinder, or the, yeah, I don't know, or maybe something leaking or something, because it is working, as you can hear and as you saw. Nah. I think the master cylinder, this thing that is broken, it looks old crap, and I saw some leaks. So I have another one. I don't know, it doesn't feel very good neither, so I'm gonna replace this. I have another one there, and then I'm gonna put new fluids in, get the air out, and let's see if that was the problem or it's the clutch. And then if it's the clutch, then Fun. Yay! Alright, we'll see. Hi. This is another day. So I changed the clutch master somewhere there. I changed the clutch master. I got the whole clutch pedal, so I just changed that. That's the old one, and it was still leaking some fluid from right here. So we got another OEM BMW clutch line. We just replaced it, and look at this. Can you put it in gear? It's working. We are gonna do test drive in a couple of minutes after I finished rebuilding everything on the underside, putting it back. Like I said, the E46 is probably the best car for your money that you can buy right now, but there are some other cars that are pretty good as well, like the Lexus ES200, E36, which I have one, E36 turbo. Only the thing with E36s right now are they are getting really expensive. To get a decent E36 which has... And then my camera died, so I am back. But to get a E36 without, or at least not a lot of rust, and a 6-cylinder, you are gonna pay the same as a E46, which is fully drift built. That's the fact. You can't do anything about it. E36s are really expensive, at least here in Europe. In Germany they are skyrocketing. In Belgium, if you have an older E36, then it's crazy, the prices. And if you do manage to find a good deal, a cheap E36, or you really want one, then get one. Why not? Here's my E36 turbo. I love it. It drifts good. So if you really want to get it, then get it. Yes, 200, the Lexus, that's a really good car as well. If you have money and if you want to spend the money, then is 350Z probably the best car that you can buy for a little higher tier drift car. If you are living nearby Japan or something, if you are living in Russia, then it's a JZX 100 or same something like that, Krista, Arista, and things like that. Something with 1JZ, 2JZ, everything is good. But like I said, E46 is in my opinion right now the best car that you can buy, because you have so many options in them. There are so many E46s that were produced, 323i, 328, those two cars, 325 as well, and 330 as well. Those cars have so much horsepower that for a beginner that's more than enough, even if you are drifting on dry, which I would not advise if you are a beginner. Then go drift on when after it has rained or something, or on a circuit that it's kept wet, because on wet drifting it's a little bit simpler to get the hang on it, to fill the car out. And as you saw, mine are E46 drives now. It was the line which we fixed. I bought the car for 650 euros. I replaced the clutch pedal, which was like 20 euros from the junkyard, and the cable, the line was 60 euros from the dealer. So 80 bucks plus 650. That's 730 euros for a driving E46 323i. 700 euros. That you are not gonna get a good car with a lot of horsepower for that money. You are not gonna get it. The
most important mode of the car, of every drift car, is the welded diff. So after this video you're gonna see the welded diff. You don't need anything else besides welded diff. All the other things that I'm gonna do is just to get the car better, more circuit, and more some circuits they ask for like harness and race seat that you need it. So that's why I'm gonna do it. And because I like it as well, by the way, because you are way more better in your car. But the only thing that you really need for a drift car is a welded diff or a LSD. But if, yeah, I don't know, for e46 to get the LSD it's like €1,000, so not worth it in my eyes, because you have another differential for €150 welded. So get a welded diff. It drives better, it won't break if the guy who welded knows how to do it. And that's it. That's the only important part that you need. All the other things are just extra. So the next episode you're gonna see the diff, and after that there are gonna be the fun mods, the cool mods, you know. But I'll let you guys know how to do it. Like I said, I'm gonna showcase you so you can do it as well. Just follow the steps, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. Bye.